Hello everyone. In this short video, we'll talk about types of linear model, simple linear regression and its equation, and how to build simple linear regression model in R. So, what's linear model? Linear model is a type of regression which can predict the value of dependent variable y at any given value of independent variable x. And it can help us understand and predict the behavior of complex systems or analyze biological data. We have three types of linear models. Simple linear regression is a model uses one predictor, so we have one independent variable. Multiple linear regression is a model uses multiple predictors, so we have more than one independent variable. Multivariate linear regression is a model for multiple response variables, so we have more than one dependent variable. In this video, we'll focus on simple linear regression. So, simple linear regression is a model that predicts the value of y based on any given value of x. Simple linear regression equation is the slope plus y-intercept multiplied by x plus the residual error. So let's learn what are these. Slope measures the steepness of the line. Y-intercept is the point when the line crosses the y-axis. Residual error is the error that isn't explained by the regression line. It's the difference between the predicted value, which is on the line, and the real value of y. Generally, the mean of residual error, E, is approximately 0. So, instead of writing our equation plus residual error, we will write it without residual error since it's 0. So, why we need to calculate residual error if we are not using it in our equation? We calculate the residual error to calculate the residual sum of squares, which is the sum of all E squares, and then calculate the residual standard error. Residual standard error is the average amount that the real value of y, this blue dot, differ from the predicted value provided by the regression line, and it's used to evaluate how well the model fits the data. So if you are comparing two models, the model with the small RSE is the better. So now let's go and learn how to build simple linear regression model in R. So use the linear model function to create a simple regression model in R. And the linear model function takes y and x as argument. So if we go to RStudio, first we will download our dataset and assign it to data. So these 4 steps I explained in the previous videos. You can go and check it in video 12. So I'm going just to run it. And here is our table. And we are interested in these 2 columns. Head weight, which is the weight of cabbage head in kilogram, and here is the amount of vitamin C in the cabbage head. So we want to build a model that predicts the vitamin C content according to the head weight of the cabbage. So let's plot and see our data. So here is our data. We can see that head weight and the vitamin C content. So now we are building the models. We are using the linear model function, and we are putting the vitamin C, which is y, which we want to predict, and the x is head weight. So let's build the model, and by using the summary function, we get all the information from the model. So the most important thing here in this is the p-value here. So if it's less than 0.05, which means that we can rely on this model, give us the estimate vitamin C content according to the cabbage head weight. So as I explained before, if you build 2 models and you want to choose the better one, you can always rely on residual standard error, and if it's less, it's better. Thank you for watching.